Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
All right, so Billy Ray Cyrus and Mrs. Billy Ray Cyrus are getting divorced, and I guess Miley was threatening Dad on Twitter for a little while. What happened with that?
Yeah, this isn't the first time that they've had some sort of like Twitter feud going on, but this time it's a little more serious. Apparently, she said, since you won't reply to my texts, I'll give you an hour. Tell the truth, or I'll tell it for you. That's real cryptic. But then there was she included like a photo of herself and one of her co-stars from a Broadway production of Chicago. And after the tweet disappeared, Miley wrote, WTF? My Twitter was just acting all types of cray, which sounds like every tweet that I write. However, the buzz is that Miley is alleging that her dad had an affair with his co-star, which may have led to their parents divorcing, or her parents divorcing, rather. All
right, so if you've been looking around trying to find a picture of Northwest, and you saw one and say, oh, what a cute little baby. It wasn't real.
Nope, it was fake. And this is pretty genius. This is like a great way to thin out the crowd, like your entourage, people just hanging around you because you're famous. So apparently, Kim knew that if she shared the photos, they'd leak to the press and she'd be out thousands, possibly millions of dollars. So what she did is she leaked fake photos to her friends, knowing that they would just turn around and leak it to a bunch of tabloids. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm sure she knows who certain pictures were sent to by whom. And they're not going to be invited to, you know, Northwest's first baby or first birthday.
In the words of Dr. Hook, when you're in love with a beautiful woman, you've got to watch your friends.
See what you just heard or any part of the Murs in the Morning Show now. Get the link at yesfm.com for the Yes FM YouTube channel. 96.7 Yes FM.